really need to upgrade to Sage 200? Many businesses start looking at Sage 200 because Sage 50 is getting slow. But is it really an accounting problem? Businesses tell us things like, Sage has become painfully slow. Our e-commerce site is constantly sinking. Warehouse staff are waiting on information. Sage 50 has become your operational platform, handling sales orders, purchase orders, warehouse stock, barcode scanning, e-commerce, and complex pricing. That's the real reason it's struggling. Sage 200 is the right choice for multi-company consolidation, advanced financial management, manufacturing, and enterprise-scale processes. But it requires a massive investment in software, implementation, and training. There's a smarter, lower-cost alternative, Barcoder Commercial Management. Keep Sage 50 doing what it does best, financial management, and let Barcoder become your fast, modern operational platform. Keep Sage 50. Transform your business. Minimal retraining, fast implementation, massive operational gains. Book a free demo with ES Consulting. Visit warehousemanagement.co.uk, email sales@esconsulting.co, or call 0845 867 2032.